become like a basketball player who's a really good dribbler. You forget to shoot the darn ball. You make him miss, you better make him pay.
Blocking that punch. Very good defense by Money. Teddy, you saw that coming. You said he was waiting for that.
Yeah, what he was doing was he was just pulling that shoulder back a little bit, trying to throw that right hand, pull that shoulder back, be a ghost a little bit, disappear on him, come back with the right hand.
He took a go of it to the body, but came up empty. Reaching the halfway mark of this round. He comes with the straight right hand.